kung sino ang lucky winner nito?
Ilan natin?
I think just one.
One lang?
One. Yes. So, talagang haluin mo yan, Jules.
Yes, yes. Okay. Ready na? It is Des Bautista. Low?
Oh, naku!
Ay!
Ako may kumukontra.
Oh no!
Ito na, I'll give it.
Yes. Des Bautista from Taguig City!
Miss Des Bautista, are you here?
Oh
Okay, we have to count down, okay? You have to come up here on stage.
no! Oh no!
Correct? Dito po lalapit kasi kung wala, we have to draw again. Okay, we count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Napakaswerte naman talaga ng mga nandito. Okay, Jules, one more.
Okay. One more.
Jules, dalian mo daw kasi baka nangihina sila. Bawal ang wala.
Matulong naman.
Okay, wait. Ako, ikaw isa ka din. Sa kanupay na ba? Okay lang po ba next time sa raffle po? Please make sure masulat po natin to nang nababasa. Kasi pag di mo nabasa, hindi sasabihan. Joke lang. Ano na? Teddy Vedorosaga! Teddy! Teddy! Ako naman, you're the winner. Pero pakiusap for next time, no? Alam ko, maliit lang yung space. Titan mo na lang din yung sulat mo. Teddy, yes, please, over here. Again, Teddy, congratulations for winning. Amazing prizes from View and Unilever. And congratulations po sa ating mga raffle winners. Make sure to stay as our booth remains open until 9 p.m. Jules, may mga raffle prizes pa tayo to be drawn later on. Just make sure to like and share Nor, Ladies' Choice, and View's Instagram and TikTok pages. Download the View app at mag-register po sa ating registration area sa entrance para makakuha ng participating ticket. Kaya ilabas na po ang inyong mga phones. Okay, one more. We have raffles pa. Okay. Meron pa ba?
How many more ang ating...
Last one, the special screening. Okay, special screening? Gadget or special screening? Hang on. We have to make sure. Otherwise, mamimigay si Julian. Kasi, di ba sure eh. Okay, so the one we're drawing right now is the special screening.
Okay.
Teddy won the gadget. Just for transparency po. Ayan. Ito for the screening mamaya, +1. So meaning, kung sino po yung mananalo dito, get to bring a friend or family or your secret ingredient. Taray. Maganda nun.
Maganda nun natin.
Diba? Hello ma'am, nilagay mo ba name mo dyan? Hindi, sayang naman.
Ang ganda palang ano natin yun mamaya. Who's your secret ingredient?
Yes, yun talaga ang marketing natin mamaya. Zero secret
Thank you,
ingredient.
Ate Dim.
Alam mo na, I want royalties for that, marketing strategy. Okay.
Okay, walang last name, but her name is Izzy from Alabang.
Izzy from Alabang.
Huh?
You're going na talaga, so we'll pick somebody else.
Going?
No complete name.
No. Ay.
They're really going, so you don't need the price. We waive it, correct? Okay, we waive.
Wait.
naman.
Okay, na-confuse ako doon. Ito. Bea Brondia from Quezon City!
Bea, asan ka? Are you here? Okay, are we waving it or are you taking it?
Ikaw ang manuna.
There you go! Congratulations, Bea! Mamaya kasama ka namin. Thank you so much.
Congrats!
And again, ayan, mag-download na po ng View app para makapag-ready na tayo for the secret ingredient coming on again on April 30. And there you have it. Napakasayang araw talaga. Para sa ating lahat today, thank you, View Original Secret Ingredient. At syempre, Nor and Ladies' Choice for making this more possible for all of us. And I hope the first of many, Jules. On behalf of the entire View Secret Ingredient team, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng dumalo, nakisama. nakisaya at nakisarap sa amin ngayong araw na ito. Sana po ay magstay pa kayo until 9 p.m. All our booths will come on until 9. We also have other raffle prizes for later. Watch the original regional drama series Secret Ingredients streaming again April 30 exclusively on View, and see the delectable hero dishes from Indonesia and the Philippines featured on the show that will surely ignite your appetite. Tandaan po, Secret Ingredient is coming on April 30. That is Tuesday?
Tuesday na!
Tuesday na ba yan? Okay. Watch out. At syempre, free po mapapanood nyo only on View. Kaya mag-download na po kayo ng View ngayon sa inyong App Store at manood ng libre and visit www.view.com. Again, huwag po muna kayong umalis. Open na open po ang mga activities natin, Jules. Maraming salamat. Our hashtag.
Thank you.
Hashtag.
Hashtag, the secret ingredient is you, and secret ingredient on View. Pero Ate Dems, before I go, yung J-Beauties namin nandiyan. So, thank you guys kasi kahit saan ako pumupunta, nandun kayo. Thank you palagi niyo akong sinasamahan. It really means a lot to me. Thank you, at salamat.
Thank you, J-Beauties, and thank you, Julia Barangay.